Just a quick tip, HVAC people. Quick tip on the ice machines or any type of water filtration system when you have a double, two. See these filters right here? See how dirty they is? When you have these, asking for a left and a right filter. So this will be the left and this will be the right. And this one will help get all that calcium build up and stuff. So it'll be a left and a right. So you'll want to put this one in the left one and the plain filter in the right one. Just a quick tip. It'll last a lot longer. These right here, this will be in the right one. These are like $6 or $7 or $10 depending on where you go. And these right ones, these are about 30 bucks depending on where you go. Less than $50. But they're gonna last a lot longer. Because when they start looking like this, it's gonna turn your water brown. And you're gonna have nasty ice cubes. So I'm doing a cleaning, sanitizing it real good right now with this nickel safe. But that's a quick tip right there. So try to just asking for a left. Same thing.
Ready to put those together, Ruben.
That was self-explanatory.
Thank you, my friend. I was gonna fill it up, but
Alright, I want to get them good and tight so they won't leak.